we're excited. Today is the Arrma Outcast 8S unboxing.
Fifth
Fifth scale, adding it to the family. We have very few fifth scales. Well, few, I mean, geez, I think most people, what do you just have? Well, is it like everything else? Once you get one, you got to get another one? Or do you just have one because they're so big?
That seems to be the trend to keep buying.
I think that's all of RC. You never can just have one. And so today we welcome the newest fifth scaler to the family. This is awesome. This is extremely awesome. Before we cut in, you can't do that. Actually, that's fine. You need another.
Technically, you have two of the low CDD XLEs, and so Ellie's, and so I have the X Max. And the Creighton is technically yours, I think.
Yeah, the Creighton 8S is mine.
And so this is mine. Dibs.
You know what? If you get rid of your X Max, then it's 100% yours. Otherwise, we have to share.
Done.
Wow. Before we cut into this,
not going anywhere.
I would like to thank today's sponsor. This is one of my favorite snacks, Buffalo Dip. A very delicious dip. That my favorite way to eat it is to warm this up in a bowl. You dip some pretzels in. There's 1,000 ways you can eat it, but I like to just eat it on a pretzel. It is delicious. You can snack on it all day long. The best part about it is owned, operated by a small family. They've been affected by COVID. They can't go to trade shows and stuff anymore. And believe it or not, that was like kind of like their bonus money, like their vacation money, you know? They need a little extra. So send them some love. They've got it set up online. Actually, they worked with us just to get it set up so they could sell online through our channel. And they even set up an exclusive RC Sailor promo code. This is kind of all new to them, selling online. So send them some love, please. At least try it out. If you don't love it, you know, give it as a gift or something. But you're doing a very good thing by helping them out. So, back to the Outcast 8S.
To me, I think just being able to try snacks from different areas, like you can't get this unless you live local, and now you can buy it online. So like to be able to try snacks from like different areas, I think that's so cool.
That alone is cool, especially if it's someone I trust, and I'm saying I mean, I love food. And the old time viewers of our channel know that if I could invite you guys to, you know, try my favorite local foods, I would. And
this is the best way.
Finally we can.
COVID safe way.
Yeah, whatever.
All right, the Arrma Outcast. Oh no.
Oh, more? Yeah,
but I think you can just peel it.
This is awesome. Watch out,
wow,
Popeye.
I can't even see the truck still.
Yeah. The tires are huge.
Yep.
Oh my gosh, there's even more cardboard-like support. I'm telling you too, this thing is so heavy. It took, I mean, I can lug it around, but Abby couldn't get it by herself.
Yeah, I can do that.
Wow.
Can you see it yet?
I can. I like that. That red is like, it's almost like a blood red, you know? Or like a wine red. It's kind of
like
maroon.
A purpley red, yeah.
It's very maroon.
I like it.
It's not quite maroon, because I'm not a huge fan of maroon.
If red can have a feminine touch, I think this is the red. No offense.
No, feminine red would be like candy apple red.
I don't know about that.
No, this is very like old school. This is very reminiscent of like an old pickup truck or something. They have that like wood sticker.
Oh yeah, but I'm talking about the red color. It's pretty. Okay, can you lift it?
Yeah.
I'll build the box back up.
Wow, this is a beast. Wow.
Should support it.
Wow.
Woo!
Wow.
All right. I like the looks of the wheelie bar in the back. The shocks are ginormous. The wheels are ginormous.
Wow. It's very heavy.
It's got like these massive dust shields on the side right there.
That's awesome. I've seen this thing do some crazy stuff online. And you know what? I'm going to say it. I know that it's fifth scale, but this thing is ridiculously huge. It is way bigger in person than I was expecting. Mm-hmm. It's kind of like when you see a video of this, it does not do it justice on the size. That is massive. Mm-hmm. Massive. And when you said that you wanted to get this for 2021, see, if you haven't noticed, we're gearing up for a good year in 2021. You know, we want to have some fun. So we got ourselves like the DJI FPV. We got this recent, you know, all these things are kind of happening recently. And of course, we're still going to have super budget things on the channel too. But when you told me you wanted to pick this up, I thought, yeah, okay, all right, it's time. The Arrma Outcast 8S. But when I picture it online and stuff, I don't think it's this huge. That is just massive.
I think you just picture it like this.
Yeah, I do.
I'm pretty sure when I told you I want this, I think you thought
it was like a maroon version of this.
I was getting this.
Yeah.
I think that's when I ordered it. I'm pretty sure you thought that's
right.
what it was, and I was like, "No, Nathan, this is the beast."
Yeah. It is insane. No,
so
we've had
10 scale, I believe, right? Is this the 10 scale?
I don't know. I don't know about that.
I can't remember.
Scale,
it's been a long time since we've had.
We've had that for a long time.
Was this even Horizon? No, this is Hobbyco. There's a Hobbyco sticker on them. They don't exist anymore.
Crazy.
So this is the.
That's pretty cool. I like that.
Yeah.
That's like history now.
Oh yeah. Oh. That hurt.
That sounded like Charlie Brown when he kicks the football.
That was my hand crushing against the shelf. Oh, that really hurt.
Shall we?
We shall.
Okay. This is called teamwork, guys.
You win.
It's yours though, so you win. You know what? You go right ahead. You take your time. Buffalo. I didn't even get to heat it up for this.
No, you are eating it. I ate it.
It's way better when you warm it up.
Right, there we go.
Wow.
See? Why wasn't this there on the Mojave? I was looking for it.
Wow.
It's got glitter in it. That's cool. That's cool.
The paint does?
Yeah, just kind of like a little bit of
touchy glitter.
shimmer. You see that?
Yeah. That's gonna look good out in the sun. So the ESC is like as big as the lid on this jar. Like if that gives you size reference. Or like here's a water bottle. It's like half the size of a normal water bottle.
It's crazy.
That's a huge ESC. I mean, massive. And here, okay, water bottle, right? Tire. That's nuts. That is the same height. You know, I mean, this is a giant RC monster truck. Or, I mean, it's considered a monster truck, right?
So let me see this laser etched bottom you speak of, sir.
Okay,
Did you even show them?
Okay, one time for you guys. Here we go. Everybody, you ready? Okay, watch out, watch out, watch out. That is my ab workout for the week. I'm done.
You mean for the year?
Well, how many sit-ups do you do every day?
I'm gonna start eventually, one day.
Yeah. There's a heat sink and then a fan on top of that. And the fan that's on that heat sink, is actually bigger than most ESCs and most of the RCs that we run.
That's cool.
You like your new truck?
I do.
Okay. Check out the tower to tower chassis support beams.
This one reminds me a lot of the
Creighton 8S.
Yeah.
There's a lot of similarities.
Tower, the bottom, a lot of it.
This one won't be quite as stable, but still probably very stable. It still sits kind of low.
Mm-hmm. Oh, I like this.
This is impressive.
I like this. I love monster trucks, so this is going to be fun. I'm excited to see how it drives. Yeah, there's the box.
I'm a little jealous because, like, I like pickup trucks a lot, and obviously that's styled to look a little bit like a pickup truck monster truck. And for our 5th scales, I know the Creighton 8S is newer and stuff, right? Isn't it newer? I can't remember the timeline.
Think so. I think this might be newer than the Creighton, but I am not sure. I cannot remember. It's just, I know it's not brand new. It's been out for a while.
I like this. I like the way it looks.
All right, so we have the telemetry radio. This is the Spectrum DX3 with the throttle limits. It's really nice. We are going to do a speed test with this, so be sure to subscribe and make sure your notification bell is on so you don't miss that video, because it's just fun to see how fast something can go. You know,
we just take a very casual approach to the hobby. I think that we drive our RCs like most people would drive their RCs, right? Mm-hmm. You know, and so we very much appreciate the things that we have. We try to run them hard enough so that you guys know what to expect. You know, we don't just putz around at 2 miles an hour, but we want you guys to have a realistic expectation going into whatever you're going to buy. I'm pretty proud of our channel. You know, here we are 8 years into this and 250,000 subscribers, somewhere around there. That means there's 250,000 people that just like to have fun in this hobby. And also might enjoy sitting down and watching with their family. Nothing they have to like mute every 5 seconds or anything.
I like the stars on the wheels. It's cool.
Oh yeah, it looks good.
I bet no man ever noticed that.
Yeah, no, it looks good. I like it. So what I was saying is if you guys want to support what we do on our channel, we'll have this linked in the description box below, but of course we're not asking everybody to run out there and buy a, what, $800
It's expensive.
RC, you know? We're the RC Sailors. This is what we do. So we do this occasionally. You know, this is a treat. By all means, this is a big treat for us. But if you want to support us, you don't have to buy this. But if you need a battery, you need a charger, you're thinking about buying a new airplane or any RC ground vehicle, you can click our link and go to the website. And as soon as you get there, just search for whatever you want and you can buy that thing while you're there. And we will get a little bit of credit. And it goes a long way. It helps our channel out. It helps our family out. You know, Popeye gets a couple extra treats occasionally.
Oh, nice. There's a license plate.
Oh yeah, it says Outcast. Yeah.
And it says don't just bash blast right there too.
Every square inch of this has something good to look at. It's really awesome. So yeah, if you want to support us, use those links down there, guys, and we're always very grateful for that. It means a lot. And just showing all of our gratitude here, we want to thank God for all the goodness in our lives and just the hearts pumping. Here we are. It was a pretty beautiful day today. Getting a little rain now and everything, but that's what these unboxing videos are for. And just to help keep the lights on and the channel rolling strong, guys, we want to thank our Patreon supporters. We couldn't do it without you. It's been that way for a long time, you know. I mean, I think our channel would be half of what it is, if not even half, without that Patreon support team. So you guys mean the world to us. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Abby, what video?
I know. If you have not seen this video yet, you need to go watch it. It is the Arrma Creighton versus the Traxxas X-Max in a tug of war.
That was fun.
It's a pretty fun video. So head on over there. We'll see you over there. Bye!